This message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. At approximately 11:42 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time on May 6, 2007, an unidentified solar event was detected originating from the Sun. This event does not match any known solar flare, coronal mass ejection, or recorded astronomical phenomena. Within minutes of detection, widespread human casualties were reported across multiple regions. Individuals exposed to direct sunlight have experienced sudden organ failure, loss of consciousness, and death. The exact cause of these fatalities is currently unknown. Emergency services are overwhelmed. Hospitals in affected areas are reporting mass casualty conditions. Federal agencies confirm that the event is ongoing and may intensify without warning. All civilians are strongly advised to remain indoors immediately. Avoid exposure to sunlight. Close all curtains, blinds, and shutters. Stay away from windows and skylights. Do not attempt to travel unless instructed by local authorities. This is not a test.